Hello students. So our next topic, that is the last topic of this chapter, is relative density. It is a very small topic, very simple and small topic. The concept of density we already know, that is a mass per unit volume. Okay, and according to the formula we can write down D is equals to M upon V. Okay, so the SI unit becomes the SI unit of mass, that is kg, and volume SI unit is meter square, so it is per meter square. It can be written in another manner also, that is kg per meter cube. Okay, in this way also we can write that, both are correct. So next concept is of relative density. Relative density means the word itself is saying relative. Relative means in relation to density, which is in relation to another density of another substance. Here another substance, standardized substance that we have considered is water. So in relation to the density of water, what is the density of any substance, that becomes the relative density. Okay, so how would we define it? It is defined as the ratio of density of substance to the density of water. Okay, in the formula form we can write down this upon this, density of substance upon density of water. It is very simple. Okay, now if the we are knowing the density of water, that is a standardized value, it is 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, so what is the density of water? It is having the value of 1000 kg per meter cube, standardized value. Okay, so that value is standard value, and according to that, if we find out the ratio, that will be relative density. Fine, because it is a ratio of the two densities, the unit of this and unit of this should remain same, and so the relative density will not have any unit. So it is unitless quantity, it is only the ratio of density, so it will be a constant value and there will be no unit. So it is very important, ये बहुत बार questions में पूछा जाता है आपको. So to find out any relative density, we will use this formula. Example 10.7 is given in your NCERT book, that relative density of silver is 10.8. so relative density 10.8 is given of silver. Okay, and the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. So what is the density of silver, that substance? So that we can find out very easily. This is given, put the values and then you can find out. So you will multiply just 10.8 by this 1000. Okay, so that will be your answer, that is density of silver. It is very, very simple. The questions or the numericals are also very simple based on the relative density. I hope you understood this small topic very well. Thank you very much.